Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is going to be my current beauty favorites. I have my little cart next to me and I stacked all my current favorite products, like literally so many. I have a little bit of everything. I have skin, I have hair, I have nails, and of course I have makeup and a few extras that I will be shouting out throughout the video. So I'm really excited to share with you guys what I've been loving, what I've been reaching for, because if you guys know me, I am a creature of habit and I tend to reach for the same products over and over again, but I've been really trying to just branch out to new makeups and new makeup brands. So definitely grab your cafecito, get cozy, and let's go ahead and jump into today's beauty favorites of the past couple of months, really. Like, really. So the first product that I want to mention are actually Fajas, and I kind of want to get these out of the way because I feel like it's kind of like awkward talking about them. I don't know why, but if you guys watched the video where I tried on some Fajas, I seriously, they've changed my life. Like, I've never been a Faja person, and when I received these from Shape Secrets, they changed my life. Like, I'm not even kidding you guys. I've never had like a nice body. I've always been pretty squared. I don't really have hips. I don't really have much of a butt. I don't really have much of a waist. And when I came across these and I wear them now, I feel so confident. Let me tell you. My favorite one is this one in the black. Of course, I will have everything linked in the description box down below. The best thing is that these are so comfortable. So comfortable. This one has to be the most comfortable of them all. It has little like hooks here that you just hook it up and then you zip it to the top, and then on the back it has this little like thing where it just like whoop, it literally lifts the booty, and it's so comfortable. It has an opening on the bottom so you can go number one, you can go number two. Haven't tried number two, but I do use it obviously all day, so I do go number one and I don't get it dirty, which is the best thing. I love this one so much. I'm actually wearing the brown one right now. I'll see if I can show you guys, but like, look at how tiny my waist is. I don't have the straps on just because I'm a little bit full. We had dinner super late today. It is Valentine's, and so we went out and had a late dinner, but like, this just makes me look so snatched and I love it. I have some new makeup here that I really wanted to share with you guys. I know that I've spoken about this brand before and I really just want to thank them for sponsoring this part of today's video. But if you guys haven't heard of Deck of Scarlet, you guys need to check them out. If you love cruelty-free makeup that is also vegan, that has bold, different textures and different types of makeup, then you definitely need to check out Deck of Scarlet. They have some of my favorite little like leaf pots. They're like these little metal leaf eyeshadow pots. I have them in my drawer over there. But ever since I came across them, I was like, oh my gosh, blown away. They have great pigmentation. And another thing that I really love about them is that they have these amazing lip oils. If you like a bold pigmented lipstick but with a glossy finish, these are for you. This one right here, I wore it for Valentine's Day, and this is in the shade Scarlet Passion, and it's a true red. It is absolutely stunning, you guys. You just have to click it a few times, and as you can see, it starts popping up. And let me give you a little swatch. Look at the pigmentation on that. It is unreal. They also have this beautiful shade that is very sheer. I really like applying it to my lips before I apply anything. As you can see, it's like a very sheer peach color, and this is actually a collaboration with James Goldcrown. And there you have it. So it's very sheer. It's perfect to top it off. I'm actually going to top off my nude gloss here, and it is the perfect addition just to throw it on either by itself or on top of a nude lipstick, which is obviously my preference. They also have these mirror glaze. I actually just filmed the reels. I just need to edit it and post it, but these are amazing if you love a liquid highlighter and then to set it. It comes with the liquid highlight on the bottom. I did lose the lid, so mine is a little bit messy, but these are so intense. If you love applying liquid highlighter before you apply your foundation, these are going to be it for you. And at the top, you get the highlighters. These are so crazy intense, you guys. I'm actually wearing the shade Radiant Rose today. And I'm going to apply a little bit more because why not? These are so crazy pigmented. And they look so beautiful on the skin. Love them. This is the Deca Scarlet and Scentbird in Power Suit. Oh my goodness, like if you are looking for a scent that smells powerful, like a powerful, smart, successful, rich, luxurious woman, this is it. Every time I wear this, my husband's like, oh my goodness, I cannot stop smelling you. It just smells literally like a powerful boss babe, which that's what you are. Definitely check it out because Deck of Scarlet seriously surprises me every time with their launches. I will have all the links in the description box down below. I don't know if you guys can tell that my hair looks a little more voluminous. Maybe not so much. I don't have it down yet, but I quickly wanted to share with you guys the products that I've been really liking for my hair from the brand Hairitage. I discovered this almost a year ago, and oh my goodness, every time that I try new items, like I just fall more in love with this brand. This brand is by Mindy McKnight, which she's actually an influencer. She started off by doing her little girl's hair. I think she has twins, and then now they're all grown up and they have their own hairline. I used to watch them when Lonnie was little, and I used to do her hair like that. But when I get out of the shower, I like to go in with the Lightest of Feather leave-in conditioner. This stuff is so good. This is my second bottle and I love it so much. As you can see, I do use quite a bit. I just spritz this all over my hair and it makes it so easy to detangle my hair. It smells so good. It helps with the frizz and it just really helps with the drying time. Once I apply this, I go in with the Split End Rescue. This one I only apply it to like mid-length and then to the ends, and it just really helps with the hair not being so dry and brittle. And again, it just helps with detangling a lot faster. This one is actually like pretty close to being out. I already have a backup, don't worry, because I love it so much. I got my sister hooked on this and now she loves it. And then to end it all, I always go in with an oil. This is the Smooth It Over with Argan Oil Elixir. This one is amazing, you guys. It has so many great ingredients. It is non-greasy, which is the best thing. I don't have a greasy scalp, which means my hair is on the dry side. I do have naturally curly hair, and this doesn't have sulfates, phthalates, parabens, gluten, mineral oil. It's color safe, cruelty free, and vegan. I also have their color shampoo, color safety shampoo, and I really like it for the days that I dye my hair. So once I go in with everything and I let my hair dry a little bit, I've been back into using my Revlon blow dryer. I did not use it for years because I just didn't like how it worked for my hair. Back then it was really long and I don't feel like I knew how to use it. And now that my hair is a little bit shorter, I do nothing but blow dry my hair. I haven't straightened my hair. Well, I did straighten it last time because I ran out of time and I didn't have time to blow dry it. So now I blow dry my hair and I swear it gives me so much shine and it also just gives me so much volume. This is day... What's today? Today is Monday. I washed my hair, I think Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Yeah, so this is the third day hair. And my hair still looks super full, thick, luxurious. I love this stuff. Like the whole combination, chef's kiss. Let's talk about skincare because I know that I've been saying that my skin is so dry, so dehydrated, and it's getting a little bit better. This is the little like concoction that I've been doing. So I wash my face. After I've washed it, I had been using like a glycolic acid toner, but I stopped using it because I think I was overusing it and it was drying out my skin when my skin was already dry and dehydrated. So I purchased the Fresh Rose Deep Hydration Oil Infused Serum. I've heard so many good things about it. I hopped on Sephora and it had so many good reviews. So I was like, you know what? Let me check it out. It's a little bit expensive, you guys. I'm not gonna lie. I debated. I was thinking about it. It took me a few days. It sat in my cart and then I decided to finally, you know, bite the bullet, take the splurge, because I was like, okay, my skin, I've tried so many things and my skin is just not doing anything. It's not doing better and it wasn't getting better. So ever since I started using this, it really has helped my skin a lot. But I feel like the concoction that I've been doing is what has helped my skin like recover. It's still a little bit dry, but not as dry as it was. So I go in with this. Once it has fully absorbed into my skin, I take the Glow Recipe Plump Plump Hyaluronic Serum, which is this little bad boy right here. This stuff is so good. I only use one pump, and that's more than enough for my skin. It is a little bit like a goopy. Actually, I was going to show you guys, but then it's just gonna go to waste, and I'm not trying to do that. This stuff is expensive too. And then I usually go in with like a thicker cream at night. I've been switching it in between a lot of the skincare products that I have, excuse me. So I did want to mention the CoverGirl Weightless Water Cream. This one is amazing. It's affordable. It's at Walmart, and it really actually works. This claims to have a 72-hour hydration power, which is a pretty bold claim. And if you guys can see, I don't know if my lights will wash it out, but it has this beautiful like marshmallow bouncy creamy texture. It's amazing. My favorite one is this one, and I also use the mattifying one, which is this one, the pink one. This one, if you're oily, you definitely need to get this one. As you can see, I've used quite a bit. I use it every day, and it hydrates my skin, but it mattifies it, which is kind of crazy. It's like, what? So another product that I've been obsessed with, literally obsessed with, is the Lunar Beauty Outer Dimension palette by Manny MUA. I had never tried anything from his brand ever. I had always been super curious, but I don't know, I just never like went out of my way to buy anything. And this palette, I just wanted something that was like a little bit diverse that I can use for bronzing and possibly for my brows, and then for underneath my eyes, and to set underneath the eyes. And this one, you guys, has not disappointed. So what I like to do is I like to take this shade Yellow Sky and then Bright Sky, and I'm going to show you guys. I did recently do an updated routine, and if you guys haven't watched that, I will have it linked underneath. But I just take those two shades and I go underneath the eyes once I've baked, and this just really opens up the eyes. It brightens them, and if I bring it all the way out, it really lifts. So my brows have definitely been on a journey for the past like year. I've gone from like super thin brows to like more square brows to like the pointy brows, and now I'm definitely more of a fluffy, crazy brow gal. But I feel like these just really suit my face shape. And I recently picked up the NYX Lift and Snatch. Oh my goodness, if you guys like that like microbladed look, this is a product for you. It makes your brows look so good. My sister the other day, she's like, are you using anything new for your brows? I'm like, no, I didn't even think about it. She's like, your brows look extra like microbladed today. I'm like, oh yeah, I've actually been using this thing. And she's like, I need to learn how to use it so I can get my brows. I love this stuff, and it's super affordable. Another product that I've been loving so much to set my entire skin is the Rare Beauty product by Selena Gomez. This is their new setting powder. I am in light medium. I love this so much. The packaging is pretty cute on its own, but I love that it's so light on the skin. It's very breathable. It's almost like an invisible powder, like a barely there type of powder. So it's not going to give you full coverage. It's just really going to set the skin, and it doesn't mattify it. It's almost like a second skin finish, and it wears so beautifully. I love this powder just to do a quick little setup. I love this powder to just quickly set the entire skin, and then I will go in and bake underneath the eyes, or to chisel out my cheekbones, whatever I need to do. But this powder, you guys, it's so beautiful. I love how light it is, so definitely recommend that. The very last product that I wanted to mention is a foundation that I've also been using a ton lately by Too Faced, the Born This Way mattes. I love their original one. If you know me, if you watch me, you know that that's like my holy grail. It's all I've been using for probably over a year now. I low-key use it anytime that I'm not filming. That's like the foundation that I'm wearing. I just know how good it makes me look. Like my skin just looks amazing. It looks airbrushed. Like all the texture that I have gone, like texture who, not that there's anything wrong with that, you know, but I love having super soft looking skin, and that foundation gives me that, and this one just amplifies it. If you have oily skin, this one is perfect. It's not too matte where it just clings to dry patches, or it makes the skin look too like blotchy. It's perfect. Like the entire Too Faced, the entire Born This Way collection is amazing, and I just saw that they're coming out with like a new palette or something. I'm gonna pick it up because the Born This Way palette is probably one of my favorites. So that is it for my beauty favorites. What did you guys think? What are your favorite products? Is there anything that has been on your like repeat list that you've just been reaching for every single time? These are just in constant rotation in either my makeup drawer or downstairs in my bathroom, just using them all the time. I really set a goal for myself for the year to just get myself ready a little bit more. I feel like after having a baby, I really let myself go and I wasn't wearing makeup besides for filming. And then I found myself like losing my passion for makeup. So every day I make sure to find time for myself when my son is sleeping, and I'll do my makeup even if it's like a quick eye tutorial. But as long as I'm doing makeup, I felt like that little fire like sparkling again. So don't forget to love yourself. Don't forget to take care of yourself. You deserve it. You're amazing and you're doing great. I love you all. Don't forget to check out Deck of Scarlet. All the links to all the products will be in my description box down below. And until next time, I will see you in my next video.